Hi everyone! Welcome back from my channel. So, nandito na kami sa Lake Superior. Ito po yung camper namin. So, ayan, kasama naman yung friend, Filipino, na nakapag-asawang American. So, ayan guys, nagka-camping kami, nagluluto. Nakabili si Jenny ng bangus. Ayan po, yun, yan. Tingnan nyo, sarap, diba? Marinated yan. It's a good thing guys na nag-export from Philippines to US bangus. So ayan, sarap. So, piniprito namin yun. And then dami naming dala mga pagkain. Minsan kumain kami sa labas. Mahal kasi it is $50 isang serving or more. Ano ba yun, Jen? Para sa
Milkfish.
milkfish.
Okay, malinis na.
Hi everybody, so it's our second day here in Lake Superior, so we're gonna go to the boat and we take boat going to Picture Rock. Picture Rock is known all over the world, so and he said it's really beautiful. I see in YouTube it's really beautiful, so see you. And then we're gonna take a big boat. There's a lot of people also there, so from the trailer camping area going to finally we're here already, so ayan guys, we're ready to rock, we're ready to just going to Picture Rock.
Disinfect and enter the main body of Lake Superior. Not sure for some of you this might be your first ride out onto Lake Superior. I'd like to talk a little bit about it. And for the travel straight north of Canada from here, we finally picked the widest point to cross. It's 165 miles straight north of Canada from here. Lake Superior is also a pretty long lake stretching from Duluth, Minnesota to Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, right on 350 miles. And we're going to take this boat and travel alongside the entire shoreline of Lake Superior. We finally traveled 1,730 miles. Here's a good example of that wave action that carves out the softened layer of rock you see in the center of those caves. And on top of the cliff what look to be little bushes. They're actually old stunted trees. What happens in the wintertime, the waves will crash up against the cliff and get up on top, and by midwinter there'll be 3 feet of ice up there. It pretty much stunts their growth. And you follow the shoreline.
Picture Rock here in Lake Superior is really nice, beautiful. The rocks, different kind of colors, guys, just like 500 years ago. Oh my god, you try. This is a famous all over the world tourist spot, Lake Superior, Picture Rock. So before I can see this one in YouTube right now, here I can see in person. So one day we're gonna take our boat here and I can touch the rock. The Picture Rock's beautiful, guys. Oh my god, I could imagine the water's clean, like crystal clear. It's very clean. So guys, it's beautiful, I can tell you. So keep on watching.
chip out of the top right-hand corner. Some people from the Detroit area, so it looks a lot like the Stanley Cup. I'm surprised they remember what the Stanley Cup looks like.
Hi everybody, so we're gonna go to the falls and see you.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Welcome to my vlog. See you on the falls. We're gonna swim there. Just kidding.
Right around 60. That's actually code sunshine charge along with warm afternoon temperatures. For my UP News, myupnow.com, and for the Wake Over 6 Hour, I'm meteorologist Tom Evans.
It sounds like this. That's for not a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know how to sit down right there.
You can spend the rate if you want. We'll do it.
You can show me your picture. You did that up.
Let's go.
I don't care. We might be up there. We already
So, punta kami sa baba. We're gonna go to down.
I want to go up there.
Ayan, nandito kami sa sa Kalibunan. Nandito kami sa Kalibunan sa Amerika. Kalibunan. So yung Kalibunan dito sa Amerika, may stay. Ganda no? Picturean kita. Ano, gusto mo? Tumbling pool. Nandito kasi kami sa pool. Ang Jenny. Ang ganda guys. We've been here before.
Hand smile.
Ano mag-smile? Smile pag kinawak mo on. Guys, nandito pa kami sa trailer or sa camper. And then nagluluto, tingnan natin nagluluto sila, nagluluto yung tatlong mga nilalang. So, ayan. Let's go. Ayan po, yan. Nandito pa kami nagka-camping. Jen? Hindi pa ako tapos nag-edit eh.
Okay lang, Ting.
Hi to my vlog.
Hi.
We're camping. That's a hot car for her, Jenny. That's like... Sensya na guys Mala, what do you think about the dry fish? The dry fish is really good, right? From the Philippines. Thank you, Jen, for the dry fish. Good job, my love. Guys, nagluto kami ng tuyo. Ayan, yung, nandun kasi sila, yung dalawa, ayaw nila yung amoy ng tuyo. Nasusuka sila. Alam nyo naman, pag Pilipinas, Pilipinas daming tuyo, di ba? Oh, sinong taga Pilipinas dyan, nandito sa Amerika, sinong gustong tuyo dyan? Madam, tuyo is life. Yeah, we gonna eat here with the tuyo. Okay?
Hey, that's a good place for you to eat it.
Nakakatawang po. Nagtago guys kasi takot sa tuyo. That is bullshit.
Mike, I put it in your truck.
Mala, I'm gonna put in the truck. We eat in the truck.
Eat that shit. Go eat that shit.
A nice one? Where's your buns?
Huh?
Where's your buns?
Where's my what?
Buns. Buns for your hot dog. For your brats.
Saan tayo kakain niya? Dito na siguro sa labas.
We will eat here outside.
We will eat outside. You will eat out inside.
Oh, I'm gonna have to eat in the car.
So guys, we're gonna eat here because we eat dry fish. They don't like dry fish. So ayan. Pasensya na po. Ay, baka no. Puko lang. Ayan, sarap yung pagkain namin. May tuyo kami.
Nasaan din yung tuyo?
Saan yung tuyo? Hala. Tinabi mo. Damihan mo yung rice mo.
Kukuha ko na. Ito na.
Natakot yung lamok ay hindi dumapo sa atin. Sa amin siguro.
Takot sa...
Bahala kayo dyan. Sabi na taga-Amerika go daw sila. So, napasarap yung kain namin. Thank you so much for watching, guys, everyone. Bye for now.